big day tomorrow. All right, big day tomorrow. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, we'll just start with Sam and go right around the room. All right, let's go. Come on. Number 1. 30x to the 13. I'm happy with that. Zayden, you ready?
Yeah.
I want number 2.
Negative 12x to the 11. Y to the 4th.
Yeah, you really should just be telling me your answer, right? Because we did this yesterday. All right, now we're just verifying your work. All right. Hannah, you want to do 3?
Negative 1 over 5 to the 9th power.
I'm pretty happy with that. Mia, go.
Negative 25x to the 12th power.
Perfect. AC,
Negative 50x to the 7th.
which one are we doing? Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. Negative 50, go ahead.
X to the 7th, y to the 9th.
All right, now I'm sure you are correct, but what we're going to do is, if you don't mind, I'm just going to kind of go step by step. So the first thing I want you to do is tell me what this is.
25x to the 4th, y to the 8th.
And then the one before that is,
Negative 2x to the 3rd, y.
yeah. All right, now please just double check your work. There's no reason not to do really well tomorrow. Any questions with that? All right, Mackenzie.
5 to the 24th.
Yeah, 5 to the 24th. Remember, the base does not change. The base does not change. It's 5 to the 24th. All right. Jude, tell me about number 7.
1 to the 4th.
Number 7, tell me again.
1 to the 4th.
Now, you made a good mistake. Notice up here, because the 5 has an exponent, I didn't change the 5. So here, technically, the answer should be 3 to the 4th power. You with me on that? The base does not change because the base both have exponents. So the rule is the base remains the same, subtract the exponents. All right? If you put 81, I would be okay with that, but that's not really what I'm testing on. It's just, do you understand the numbers? What?
So on the test, that's the answer.
Yeah, 3 to the 4th is, but if you accidentally put down 81, like I said, I wouldn't be mad. It's just not necessary. That's why I think on the test I made it big number. All right, so you wouldn't be able to simplify it like that. All right, Karina, what'd you get for 8?
X over 1. Oh no, X over 2y to the 4th.
All right, now as soon as you disagree with something, speak up. What? How many y's are on the top? How many on the bottom? You see what I'm saying? Now, if I don't want negatives. No. I see what you're saying. So that's why I don't teach you that way. Listen to me. Listen carefully. Y over, that's how I want you to think about it. Okay, so then the y's cancel. Because you're dividing, there is a 1. You with me on that? All right. So if you were to subtract them, you would say 1 minus 5, which is negative 4 on the top. That's why.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, see, that's why I don't like doing it that way. All right, it gets kind of confusing. All right, so number 9, I don't think Watson did something. Go, Watson. Y to the 4th over x cubed. I'm happy with that. Charlie? Which is? You just mean x to the 8. No, I'm not sure why you got the 2. The other rule is we could just go ahead and add the exponents, right? You don't need to move it. You can just say, hey, 4 plus negative 2 plus 6. X to the 8. I'm not sure what the confusion is. Everybody okay with that now? Everybody good? What?
Oh yeah.
Everybody good? Did you do one? All right, so you do 11. See this? So what does that mean to do?
Sorry, negative.
No. Your negative has nothing to do with your value being positive or negative. The negative exponent means you do what? Flip it. Switch it. Take the reciprocal. So this is 3 over 2 squared, which is now, what's 3 squared? 2 squared.
Oh, so just 9 over 4.
There you go. 9 over 4. All right. Everybody happy? All right, Mr. Stauffer, you help me with 12, please.
Well, the 24 goes to the bottom, making it 30.
No, it does not. A lot of kids are having trouble with that. Those are just numbers, right? Does everybody agree with me? Now listen to what I'm saying one more time. This is literally 24 divided by 8. Right? Negative 3. Is everybody okay with that? Come on. Negative 3. All right, so here we go. Negative 3. Now,
The X cancels.
X cancels. You guys are talking. I'm trying to work.
And then the negative 3 goes down to the bottom.
Just tell me the answer.
So y negative 3 over negative 3 z to the third over y.
Yeah, so see, I kind of want the answer. All right, because you were supposed to do them. All right? Now, if you're having trouble, now's the time to speak up. Everybody good so far on all these? All right, here we go. Brady, 13. We don't have to do that one. Anything to the 0 is what? 1. All right, anything to the 0 power is 1. All right, Brady, you tell me how to do 14.
Okay, so 2x over 4 divided by.
Hold on. 2x over what?
Wait, 2x to the 4th.
Okay, thank you. Shh.
And 3y to the second.
Right, everybody double check that. Right, we're reducing the fraction 12 over 18. Everybody good? And then moving the negative exponents. All right?
Okay.
15.
5x squared plus 4x minus 3.
Any issues? What?
Everyone has a
Doing what?
What?
Playing football?
That's
That's why they wear helmets. All right.
I don't wear
I'm sorry, it doesn't look bad. That was you guys are laughing. Why are you laughing?
It's a baby in his head.
All right, what's the video now? It's not a comedy show. All right. Wait a minute, we're on 16. Yes. What do I do with the negative? Yeah, you do the thing. I like that,
You give
man.
it the next
All
time.
right, we'll do the thing. All right.
2x squared
All right, here we go. 2x squared.
minus 8x.
Yep. I like that. All right. So there's no brain damage. That's good. All right, here we go. 17. Yes, me.
Okay, 2x squared.
Well, what do I have to do first?
Oh, you've got to distribute the negative.
Yes, don't forget to distribute the negative. Notice what I'm doing. Every time I do that, I switch the sign so I remind myself. that I changed the signs. All right, now give me your answer.
All right, 2x squared minus 6x minus 11.
Everybody happy with that?
Oh yeah.
Everybody good? All right. Next. 18. Go.
Oh, okay. I got 6x squared minus 8.
Everybody happy with that?
Yeah.
All right. I told you this is easy. You did one, right? You're up. What do I have to do first?
First, you distribute the negative. And then, so it's 2x cubed minus 12x squared minus 16x plus 11.
All right. I like that. Bless you.
Let's see.
All right. Bo, let's hear it.
Negative x cubed plus 17x squared minus 5x squared.
Great job. Mm-hmm.
Negative 2x cubed minus 9x squared
Minus 11x squared. Thank you.
plus 12x minus
Anybody have any issues? Any issues? So we agree pretty easy, right? Pretty easy. All right. Yes, sir. Yeah, is not the answer.
negative x cubed plus 17y.
There's a y there, right? Negative x cubed y, right?
Oh, plus 17y squared. Plus 2.
I'm looking at negative 17 plus 12.
Minus 5.
Is that, do we know our alphabet?
Oh, minus 5.
There you go. Yeah, that letter is a Z, okay? Let's review the alphabet. And then what?
Minus 3.
We are awesome. All right. Zayden, you up?
Yeah.
What do I have to do first?
So you have to make that the negative a plus.
Good. All right. Now, always try to write in descending order if you can. So now, tell me the answer.
That is negative. Oh, negative. Oh no. Y. 17 y squared.
What is 1 minus 16?
Oh, 15 y squared.
What is, again, 1 minus 16?
15. Oh. Negative 15 y squared.
All right.
4 plus 4. Yeah, plus 2y.
Negative 3 minus 1.
Negative 4.
You're amazing. That's awesome, buddy. And then what?
Minus 17.
All right.
Yay.
All right. I'm not worried about you at all tomorrow. Trust me. Not one bit. All right. Hannah, show them how to do it now.
Okay, so
Let's do alphabetical order.
the 3 x's cancel out.
Good. Is there not an X left? Wow. Tomorrow on the board, I'm going to post the letters for everybody, okay? So you know.
Oh, I didn't see this. I didn't see that.
It's because you got one eye.
Yeah, you just asked for that.
Yes.
Oh.
No, he has one eye and 3 eyebrows.
All right, go.
So, okay. 7x
Good.
plus 9z.
Are we doing alphabetical X, A, B, C? Shh.
So it's negative 3y minus
With 3Y.
That's a Z. That's your Strauss.
Oh my gosh, you
Alphabet.
guys.
Alphabet.
-3y. What do I got? Shh, Hannah, tell me.
Plus 9.
It's the alphabet is easy to learn.
All right, hold up. We're obviously not getting far here. Shh. So I'm agreeing with you. The 5y minus 8y. We got rid of the x's. Wow, that was really good too. All right, here we go. Mia, walk me through this now. I know you know the alphabet. Shh. First, what do I have to do?
First, we have to do the x's. That's how I like. Oh, well, first we do the negative.
Thank you.
I do the same stuff. So negative 11z, positive 4x, negative 3y, and negative 9.
All right, come on, please.
Okay, so 4x plus 5x equals 9x.
Good so far.
So then we move on to our y's, and yeah, we only have 3y, but that's a negative now, so negative 3y.
Good.
And then now z's, so negative 8z plus negative 9z and 11z equals 28z or something. That's 17. Oh, 38z.
What do we?
28z. I know my math.
Shh, no, we did the 28z. That-
28z and then
Shh.
7 minus 9 equals negative.
Wow. Okay.
17.
All right.
I know my math.
Could have been worse, I guess. All right. All right. Don't let me down, AC. Shh, shh, shh.
We do the negative for the middle, and so it's positive 5x and negative 16.
All right. So now lead me off here.
6x cubed minus 10x squared plus 5x minus 3.
Wow. Kenzie, 27.
So first you do the negatives and so you put those in. And then I got,
1 second. Let me finish marking it.
sorry,
That's all right. Now tell me.
I got 8x to the third minus 10x squared minus 7x plus 19.
So sad.
Anybody else agree with that?
I agree.
All right. Very good. All right.
Long distance bump.
We're on a roll. All right. 28. What?
So it's,
Whoa. No, Jude's up. We're going in order.
Damn.
Shh. It's okay. Give it your best shot. That's all right. Come on. Reduce the fraction. Shh. Don't worry. Hey. We'll walk you through it. Go. Go. Hold up. 4/3. All right. That's good. Now, remember the main thing. Anytime there's a negative exponent, just move it. I think that's the critical part. Everybody listen. All right. So the x cubed goes on the top. Y squared goes on the bottom with y fifth on the bottom. You with me now?
Yeah.
Now tell me the answer.
4x cubed
Good.
and 3y to the third.
Yes, thank you. All right, that's not bad. All right. Karina, you're up. Now we're going to do these parts right here. Tell me what this is.
9xy.
9x what?
Oh, 9x cubed squared
Good.
and y to the 8th,
Good. Do the next part.
and then 2x
2 to the what power?
to the third power.
Yep. And what's 2 cubed?
Oh, 16.
8. Keep going.
8x to the 12. And then y to the 18.
Good. Final.
17x.
Good. 72.
Oh,
X to the what?
and then you multiply 12 times 2.
Or multiply, we add exponents.
Okay.
So that
To
would
the
be,
14.
and then y to the,
Y to the 24.
good, 26. Alright, so that was another easy one. Very impressive. Hey, again, guys, listen, all fun aside, everybody understands it's just knowing the rules, right? All right, you can see that's what I'm saying, guys. We did the IXL on Monday just to get more reps in, just to help you practice. I promise you the test tomorrow, all I'm doing is changing, guess what? Changing the numbers. That's it. The exact same problems, just the numbers are different. All right? And again, I'm sure, all right, you know the rules. Just please be careful. All right, let's do 30. All right, what do we have to do first?
First, you have to do the exponents.
Okay, so what do you want me to do?
So it would be 18 times 18.
Now, let me ask you this, though, kiddo. To me, I always tell kids it's much easier to reduce the fraction first. You with me? Because I don't want to do 18 times 18 and 6 times 6 and then reduce.
So
All right, so let's reduce. Shh.
negative 3 would be on top.
Right,
And then x's cancel out.
right,
Y
yep,
just goes on the top, yeah.
and then
And then z to the fifth.
exactly. Now, because everything went away on the bottom is just a what? 1. All right, now I'm just going to put it there even though it's not necessary. Raised to the negative 2. Now, because it's raised to the negative 2, what do I do? What do I do?
Oh, sorry. So you start by doing the exponent onto the whole numbers.
No. The best thing to do first is do what, Morgan? Flip it. All right, so anytime you have a negative exponent, right, the whole thing is switched. 1 over negative 3 y z to the 5th. Now I can raise it to the 2nd power. That's the easiest way to handle that. Now you square everything.
Okay, so it's just 1 over negative 9.
Positive 9. The reason why it's positive 9 is because a negative times a negative is a positive. Okay? Keep going.
Then y to the 2nd,
And
and z to the 10th.
yes. Okay, perfect. Perfect. All right, Mr. Valente, you're up, buddy. Let's simplify first. Does anything happen to the 2/3? No. Good. Good. Yes, thank you very much. Now, because it's a negative exponent, what do I do? That's exactly right. And then what's 3 cubed? Good. Y to the, good. 2 cubed. Z to the, that is correct. Very, very good. All right, nothing to it. All right, Morty, you're up. Let's go. First part right here. What is this?
4
Yep.
squared minus 6.
Good. All right, now, Mr. Wilson, you do the next one.
Okay, so the next one would be negative 27 x to the 6 is equal to 3rd.
Beautiful. And then right up here, Lorenzo.
The last one.
Yeah, what does that become? because it's to the negative 1, it just becomes 1 over 4x squared y z to the 4th. Right? Is everybody okay with that? Anytime you have a negative exponent, just take the reciprocal. All right? Now, I want you to do the numbers, Lorenzo. What happens to the 4, the negative 27, and this 4?
Don't you multiply now?
But I'm actually looking at 4 divided by 4. What happens to that?
Oh, they cancel.
Does everybody see that? I don't want to go 4 times 27 then divide by 4. That wouldn't make sense. So, if I...
27.
What type of 27?
X.
What type of 27? Positive or negative?
Negative.
Right. Negative 27, right?
Negative 27.
How many x's are on the top?
8.
How many are on the bottom?
2.
So that leaves me.
4. 4.
How many?
6.
6. Good. How many y's on the top?
6.
How many on the bottom?
1.
So that leaves me.
5.
How many z's on the top?
3.
How many on the bottom?
4.
So that leaves me.
1.
Where? Yeah, that's your answer. That's it. All right, so everybody agree with that? All right, practice, practice. All right, here we go. Let's do the volume. I even give you the formula. So you're going to put down volume equals pi. What's the radius?
2yz.
Squared times the height, which is...
6xy.
Come on, guys. This is not hard. Pi is called a constant. All right, so V is equal to pi. What's 2 squared?
4.
Y squared, Z squared times 6xy. Does everybody see that so far? What's 4 times 6?
24.
That's a constant. So we're going to say 24 pi x y cubed z squared. What? Where do you want it? Does it matter where you put it, really? No, but math, we usually put the constant in front of the coefficient. With me? What?
Is it? I guess then it's wrong to put it outside the parentheses. I put it outside the parentheses.
Well, just, you learned something today. It doesn't, the parentheses, it's all multiplication, so we don't really need the parentheses. You with me on that? If you left it like that, I wouldn't mark it wrong. I'm just saying, that's how I want you to write it. That makes sense now, right? Okay, Sam, go.
So it's 4x times 5y
Good. 4x times 5xy.
times 3xy,
Perfect.
which is 60
Good.
x to the third.
Easy, easy, easy. Formula 1/2 base times height. I actually forgot to put this in here, but you should put it in there. All right. So now the formula is A equals 1/2 base times height. A equals 1/2. Does it matter what the base is or what the height is? No, because we're multiplying them all together. The order in which you multiply doesn't matter. Half of 6 times 9 is what?
27.
What's x times x squared?
X.
What's y times y cubed? Y to the 4th. Everybody go with that? I don't think over 2, right? Yes, ma'am. What's half of 6 times 9?
Oh,
So I'm saying, again, I'm trying to teach you that by, you're taking care of the numbers. You're multiplying. 1/2 times 6 times 9. Then do the properties for all of the variables. Okay? All right. So the area of the square, area equals parentheses 7x cubed y squared. Zayden, since you did a good job last time, tell me what this one is.
49
Good.
x to the 6.
Good.
Y to the second.
You got it. All right, I'm feeling good. All right,
Long
Hannah.
distance boxing.
Because you did awesome last time, you get the last one. All right. Don't let me down. Area equals.
It's okay, let's do so
Yeah, very good.
3x squared
Good. 3x squared y times.
5x cubed y.
You're amazing so far.
Well, you can combine the 3x squared and
What do I do to the numbers?
5x multiply them.
So what is that?
So 15.
Good. X to the.
Oh, sorry.
Yep.
And then y.
Easy. All right, now listen again, real quick. You guys understand? I'm giving you a little bit of a hard time, right? Because I'm trying to show you it's just what following the rules. All right, I can't really help you with that. Those are just rules. All right, I can show you how to remember the rules, but the rules are the same. All right, you have to know the rules in order to do well tomorrow. I want to say it again. All I did literally was I just went into my Word document and I just changed the numbers around. And I changed the variables. So instead of x squared, I made it like x to the 4th. Instead of the rectangle 5, I changed that to a 7. It's just the same. Because it doesn't matter, because all it is what? Rules. That's all it is. You either know how to do the rules and apply them, or you don't. All right? Please be careful. My advice, do it over. You should have been highlighting the ones that you kind of made a mistake on. Then go back tonight and redo those. Extra. Is everybody with me? All right, I promise you, it's really simple. It's really simple. You got to know the rules. All right, next week it's really simple also, just more rules. All right? And practice, please. All right? It's nice to start out with an A.
Oh, Mr. Shaw.
Yes, sir.